Just outside the vibrant energy of Buenos Aires, along the quiet stretch of Provincial Route 52, lies La Providencia Resort and Country Club, a serene residential enclave surrounded by nature and open skies. Here stands Providence House, a striking contemporary home designed by MMCV. Set within the organic layout of the neighborhood, the residence occupies a plot with 3 open fronts and a north-facing garden, perfectly oriented to capture the best of the Argentine sun. At first glance, 5 sculptural concrete volumes rise from the land like monolithic forms emerging from the earth. Each block carries its own shape and height, yet together they form a harmonious composition centered around an open courtyard, the true heart of the home. From the outside, the raw concrete appears stoic and grounded with few openings. But as the structure unfolds northward, it softens, embracing light, air, and the expansive outdoors. The main entrance is carefully aligned to draw the eye directly toward the center of the home, erasing the boundary between inside and out. The central social area dominates this axis, a space that connects seamlessly to the private and service wings through slender partitions. These partitions allow flexibility, letting the family flow freely between spaces or separate them when needed for daily routines. Inside, each volume has its own character, shaped by ceiling height and the quality of natural light. Some rooms feel open and luminous, while others are intimate and warm, all maintaining a strong dialogue with the surrounding landscape. The home's orientation thoughtfully follows the sun's path. Bedrooms bathe in gentle morning light, while the service areas glow in the late afternoon. To the south, a study enjoys soft, controlled lighting, ideal for focused work, while the bathrooms and utility spaces remain discreetly shaded. A timber pergola elegantly links the concrete blocks, acting as a porous threshold between indoor and outdoor life. Beneath it, a semi-covered grill area extends from the kitchen, turning everyday activities into open-air rituals. Landscape design plays a crucial role here. Native vegetation wraps around the property, filtering sunlight, guiding movement, and creating privacy without isolation. The walkway from the street expands naturally, welcoming visitors with a subtle sense of grandeur. Every path in the house converges at the central courtyard, where a linear pool and a lapacho would gallery frame the horizon. This is where the architecture meets the landscape, functional, expressive, and poetic. The material palette tells a story of contrast. Cool exposed concrete balanced by the warmth of natural wood and soft textiles. The result is a home that feels both monumental and deeply human, a modern sanctuary rooted in the rhythms of nature.